But again, Jesus is pointing out this is the vision of what it means when we follow the command of God. That we love God, we love one another, just as a husband and wife love one another because of God's love for us. So whether you are married or you are single, this is still what God would insist. That to love Him means to love one another as God loves all of us. God knows He will always be assisting us, will be helping us for those people who are in difficulties. It's not for us to judge, but for us to help one another and pray for one another. That may those in the family may they continue to serve God, love one another as God intends us to do as His children.